Hi guys, welcome back to Beae video tutorial series. In this video, you will quickly learn how to use the feature product element of Beae Shopify Page Builder. What is feature product element? Features allow you to recommend additional products to your buyer, thus increase the revenue from the existing customer, which is cheaper than acquiring new ones. On Beae, you can integrate this element to personalize the recommend product up to your design to increase revenue more efficiently. This video will walk you through the main setting of the element. Let's get started. I will show you the most detailed use of Beae feature product element. First, create the section. Go to the element. Drag and drop the feature product element to the design position. Click on the feature product element. The right side of the screen will appear Content tab and Event tab. Content tab, you can choose the product to display. They are the product that you have uploaded in the product section on Shopify. To customize where the product image appears, you use the product image. It can be left, right, or above. Block will have you manage the product information to display. This may be title, price, picker, add to cart, or quantity. In addition, you can also add other blocks. For example, product description. If you want to delete or move block, click here. Spacing will help you to customize the spacing between the product image and the info box. Do the same with the phone screen. Finally, preset will success you ready-made Beae template, or you can upload your own template in my save. In the Advanced tab, you can customize spacing, background, border, responsive, animation, and attribute. Margin spacing, margin interdistance between sections, padding interdistance between the section and column. You can also customize the width for feature product. This feature product can also set position. However, according to Beae note here, it is not considered best practice for responsive web design and should not be used too often. In particular, enable sticky is an extremely interesting feature. When you assign a feature product to sticky on top, this feature product will always stick to the top and will not disappear when pulled down. Hopefully, if you choose stick at the bottom, that feature product will always stick to the bottom. In addition, you can also vertically align to the left, right, or center of the feature product. I will also customize this element when the feature product is displayed on mobile. To make the feature product more prominent, you can change the background here or add a border and box shadow. Responsive allow feature product to display on desktop, tablet, or mobile device. If you check high on desktop, this feature product will only be displayed on tablet and mobile, or vice versa. You can also customize the effect when the feature product appears. This can be displayed right on the page, or can run from the top to bottom, from the right, from the left, or from a variety of different appearance. Let's customize them in the engine animation. In addition, you can also customize the feature product appearance effect in the animation direction, animation delay, and iteration animation sections. Finally, attributes will allow you to deeply intervene in the code of feature product alignment. This section will be for those of you who want to design professionally. I just show you the basic steps to customize the feature product alignment. Next, I will customize its content in feature product in detail. The first part is the feature image. In the content tab, you can customize the layout and aspect ratio. Enable or disable open image in Lightbox. Show the feature image first and more. In the Style tab, you can customize feature image, thumbnail, and navigator. I will do some example to give you better understanding of how to customize. Next is the product title. You can customize the title HTML tab in the content tab or alignment. Text color, typography, text shadow in the Style tab. Advanced tab will use the same as I showed above. I will customize the next block so we can better see how to use them. Alright, that's all you need to know about the feature product element of Beae. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, feel free to chat with our support. See you next time.